In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel for LinkedIn. If you want to share a swipeable document style post on LinkedIn, the good news is that the process is very simple once you know where to click. A LinkedIn carousel is typically uploaded as a document, which lets people flip through multiple pages directly inside the post. It's a great format for tips, summaries, case studies, and visual storytelling. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally see posts from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to create a new post right away. Once you're there, click on Start a Post. This opens the post creation window where you can add different types of content to your LinkedIn post. If you're used to publishing text-only updates, this is the same place where everything starts. Next, click the plus icon. This expands your content options and gives you access to additional attachments you can include in your post. If you don't immediately see the option you need, the plus icon is where LinkedIn usually hides extra post features. After that, click the Add Document icon. This is the key step for creating a carousel on LinkedIn because carousel posts are uploaded as documents rather than as a standard image post. Once you choose the document option, LinkedIn will prompt you to upload a file from your device. Now click Choose a File. This opens your computer's file browser so you can locate the carousel document you want to upload. Before selecting your file, it's a good idea to make sure the document is finalized, properly ordered, and easy to read, since viewers will move through it page by page. Then, select the carousel from your computer. Choose the document you've prepared and upload it to LinkedIn. Once the file is attached, LinkedIn will process it and turn it into a swipeable document post that people can view directly in their feed. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to create a carousel for LinkedIn. The most important thing to remember is that LinkedIn carousels are uploaded through the document option, not as a regular image post. If your carousel is designed clearly and your pages are in the right order, this format can be a very effective way to share valuable content in a more engaging, easy to digest way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.